Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Slimer, get back over here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, you better get back, boy. Get back. Uh-oh. Oh no. Marshmallow. I'll have to save this.
All right, come back. Oh, no. All right, hold on. Yeah. Okay, come back. I'm gonna start over. Just stand right here. We're just gonna do it after the scene.
Right here?
Keep the camera's rolling. All right, so how does it feel?
And then you pull the tape on it off of it to reveal it. Some stuff can come off, which does happen sometimes. So.
Who's gonna watch? Push it out. Look at that. Looking sweet. There she is. There we are, driving down the street in action. People waving. Going around busting some ghosts. You never know. The convertible's nice too, because you just shoot them right off the top. Yeah. You know why? Busting makes me feel good. Yep. The grand opening of the movie, oh yeah.
It almost looks like it got pulled out straight out of the movie.
Yeah, actually. See that front part? That red that goes all the way around. That's cool.
Okay, guys, so this is our Ghostbusters. We actually just finished it. It looks really good. I really like it. I really like this big Ghostbusters symbol. I think it looks really cool. It goes frozen. And then it's a
get in and drive.
There's me and Luke in the front and passenger seat.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
Getting very small.
Well, that is cool. You gotta get the blue lights on, right?
Oh yeah.
Look at that. That is cool. So we designed it, printed it, installed it, and then we shot some cool videos with it. So make sure you check those out.
But before I go, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell. See you guys next time. Bye bye.